Today we're going to solve problems involving long division sent to us by grade 10 students from the Philippines. Process. Dividing polynomials using long division has the same process with long division of whole numbers. These are the steps in dividing polynomials using long division. 1. Arrange the dividend and the divisor in decreasing powers of exponents. Take note that you need to insert zeros as coefficient of the missing terms of each polynomial if necessary. Number 2. Divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. 3. Multiply the partial quotient to the divisor. 4. Subtract the result from the dividend. 5. Bring down the next term in the dividend. And repeat the process until done. Question number 1. Our divisor is x plus 3, so this will be outside the division sign. And our dividend, x cubed plus 3x squared minus x minus 3, is inside the division sign. Step 1 is to divide the first term of the dividend, x cubed, divide by the first term of our divisor, x. Using the quotient rule, we simply subtract the powers 3 and 1, so that is x squared. So x squared is the first term of our answer. Now we need to multiply the divisor x plus 3 by x squared. X squared times x is x cubed. X squared times 3, that is 3x squared. Next, we need to subtract. X cubed minus x cubed is 0. 3x squared minus 3x squared is also 0. Notice here that both terms x cubed and 3x squared were cancelled out, so we will bring down both negative x and negative 3. Repeating the process, we need to divide negative x by the first term of our divisor, which is x. X and x will cancel out, so the answer is negative 1. So the second term of our answer is negative 1. Now we need to multiply negative 1 by the divisor x plus 3. Negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. And now we need to subtract. Negative x minus negative x is 0. Negative 3 minus negative 3 is also 0. So the answer for this problem is x squared minus 1. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.